Welcome back to another episode of DIY Golf Cart Garage. My name is Barry, and today we'll be working on a 1992 Club Car DS, and we're going to be installing a seatbelt bracket, seatbelts for the front and seatbelts for the back, because we happen to have a flip-flop kit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bar over to the car and let's see exactly how we're going to mount this. Okay, the seatbelt bracket will actually fit across the front here, and you'll have this bracket that will go on the back side with these bolts going through it. Now on this one, because of the location of these brackets, I cannot get this centered up to put a bolt on each side. So what I'm going to have to do is actually drill another hole off to the side so that this bracket will fit across. So what I'm going to do is line it up so I can get it even on both sides. Go ahead and make me a mark, center, just past that bar. There we go. Now I'll go over there and drill me a pilot hole and then a larger hole for this bolt to go through. Okay, now that we got the holes drilled, sure to locate it in the front. Make sure that the short tabs in the front, long tabs in the back. Since them long tabs got to go all the way to the back seat. Okay, now let's do the other side. I've got to get this up to tighten it up. I hope you didn't throw your box away that this came in, because it makes a great stand. So now what we got to do is even it up on both sides. Get your 11/16 socket and ratchet, and let's tighten her down. Remember not to tighten all of them super tight until you get every one of them together. Okay, now to put the seat belts in, there are several different ways you can mount it. The way I'm going to do is actually put this to the outside. Put the bolt in. Comes with a plastic washer. Put that on next. The seat belt and the nut. Keep in mind the bolt head is a 9/16. And the nut is an 11/16. Also, this is just for self-preference. You can just put this at just about any angle you would like. Just make sure that when you do put it on here, that you do leave enough room to get your seat up in case you ever need to get under your seat. We've got our seat belts in. Well, that concludes this video of putting the seatbelt bracket on with your seat belts towards the front. You can also mount them in the back so you can have somebody securely fastened in the back. If you have any likes, comments, questions, be sure to subscribe, like us, let us know what you think. My name is Barry. Look forward to seeing you next time.